start that over. Hi! This is Pipe Cleaner Princess here, and I'm back with another video. Yeah. So, today we are going to be making the aliens. Pipe Cleaner Mickey ears. Yes. Now, I noticed that they don't have any names. They're just the alien character from Toy Story. So, I'm just going to call them, let's see, Larry, Bob, and Joe. Yeah, Larry, Bob, and Joe. Let's go. Let's make Larry, Bob, and Joe Mickey ears. So what you will need for this project is obviously pipe cleaners. So you're going to need 2 blue pipe cleaners, 1 purple pipe cleaner, 3 black pipe cleaners, 5 light green pipe cleaners, 1 slightly darker green pipe cleaner, and as you can tell, it's like a thicker than this style, so I mean it doesn't really matter about the size, and scissors. Let's begin. So for his little like alien outfit thing, it's like blue and then it has like a purple ring around the neck, so that's why there's blue and purple here. So the blue is going to be for the circle at the bottom. So you are going to Anyway, you're going to twist them at the ends, and you're going to take the other ends and you are going to twist them together as well to make a circle. And then the purple, you're going to make an arch. Boom! Arch made. And then, obviously, for the ears, it's going to be this light green color. So you're going to take it and you're going to twist it onto the arch right about here. And you're going to take the other side and you are going to twist it down. And make sure it is a circle for the Mickey ear. So just round it out to make it a circle. And obviously ears come in 2 pairs, so you're going to make another ear. Voila! Now, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and then do it yourself and then replay the video and then keep going. And then to make it more like the alien or Larry, Bob, or Joe, you are going to take one of these and you're going to make 3 little eyeballs. Yeah. So I'm going to set this aside right here, and you're going to take this one. Now it would be way too big if it was just like 3 of these, so you definitely want to make it smaller. So like that size is probably what I'm going to do. So you can do that size as well. You can do smaller, you can do a bit bigger, but I think this size is like the perfect size. So I'm going to twist that and make sure I have it like that. And then before I twist it onto the arch, I want to make 3 other of the same size of that so that it's the exact same size. So I'm going to fast forward this and definitely pause the video and catch up. Ta-da! I made my 3 circles, and now they all look like 9s. It's 999. Yeah. So you're going to first just lay them out where you want them to be, and just like make sure that they're centered. Ooh, yeah, it's staying out. So just make sure the middle one's centered, and then the other ones are good. So I'm going to start by twisting on the middle one, and I'm going to cut off all this because I don't really need that much to twist it onto. So I'm going to cut that off, And then one last time, I'm going to check and make sure if it's in the center. Yep, it's in the center. So I'm going to wrap it around. Now I'm going to twist it. There we go. And I'm just going to make it upright. And then you're going to twist on the other ones as well. Just make sure they're not overlapping each other or whatever. And yeah, just twist them on next to them. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I twisted the 3 circles on to the arch. Now, if you want, you can twist the eyes together, but I'm gonna just leave it be because when it goes on your head, it's gonna be arched because the head is well arched or circular. So you're gonna want to just leave it like that. And now it doesn't really look like eyeballs. So you're going to use with the black, you're gonna make little black circles. So you're going to take your black and you're just gonna start swirling it to make it into a circle. Just to keep putting it into a circle, keep doing that. And then just like make it however big you like. I'm gonna just do a little bit bigger and yeah, basically just do that 3 times and then you got your eyeballs. Okay, so I'm gonna do that big and I'm going to cut off a lot and then I'm going to twist it into the middle of this green circle. And now it became an eyeball. Yes. And now you're just going to do the same thing. Try to make the same size circle with these 2 other black pipe cleaners. So, yeah. And there you go. I made my 3 little black circles. Now, after you do all that, you might want to just check the ears and make sure they're still pretty circular so you can fix if it got bent. There we go. That's the right word I'm looking for. And just fix that. Yep. And then with this one, you can just leave it be like this because it is absolutely adorable. But I'm going to make that little antenna-y thing on top of their head with this. So it's basically just a stick with a ball on the top. Yeah. So I'm going to make it like this tall maybe. So I'm going to just cut it right there. And then with this, I'm just going to make like a little ball. So instead of twirling it like we did for the eye, we're just going to kind of wrap it around so that it's like a not flat. And there you go. That's a ball. Yep. And so you're just going to try to twist it on by wrapping it on there and then just like sticking that straight so that it's like on top of it. There you go. Might want to make it a little bigger. There you go. Yeah, that looks cool. And then you're just going to stick it. You can stick it like right in the back there, or you can like stick it on or like twist it onto the eye. This is just optional. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it, but I'm just gonna twist it on to show you guys, I guess. Yeah, so you just wrap it around in the center. Wrap it around. Make sure it's all straight. And then with the extra little green, you're just gonna twist that onto the ear so it stands up straight. But I think I just like it without it. I don't know. But it is also kind of cute, so maybe I'll stick with it. Anyways, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed watching and making these alien pipe cleaner Mickey ears from Toy Story. And just, if you like this video, just hit that like button, and I will be eternally grateful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!